YouTube family, today me and my grandma are going to be making a chicken soup.
Sunrise on the savannah, golden light so clear and warm, heartbeat in the wilderness, Africa, this is your charm. Lions roaring, rivers dance, mountains high and sunlight glows, Mother Earth's generous hands, every corner like bestows. Oh, Africa, land so grand, love for you will always stand.
Now we are draining all the water separately from the pot. Now my grandma is going to put the onions and fry in the pot, and then we're going to fry them. This is one of the simplest soup. We are just adding carrots, sweet corn, and a bit of spaghetti, but you can add anything of your choice. So now my grandma is gonna add some green peas.
Yeah. Are you recording that?
Yeah, so now my grandma is just adding some green peas inside of the pot. So we're now adding the stock and the pieces of chicken. And now the spaghetti.
That's it. Then let it boil until it's nice and soft.
So now we're gonna let it boil until everything has gone soft and ready to eat. Delicious. So this tastes like lemon, all of the carrots that are inside.
Sunrise on the savannah, golden light so clear and warm, heartbeat in the wilderness, Africa, this is your charm. Lions roaring, rivers dance, mountains high and sunlight glows, Mother Earth's generous hands, every corner like bestows. Oh, Africa, land so grand, love for you will always stand. Nature's beauty, oh